Welcome to our lesson about the sketched bin. Let's begin by inserting a sketch on this face. Right-click, New Sketch. Activate the Line tool. Let's create a line. Apply dimensions now. We'll make it 7 millimeters. We'll accept and exit the sketch. Now I'm going to activate the Sketched Bin tool. My new sketch is pre-selected here. I'll select the fixed face first. And I'll select this portion. Now we choose the bend position, center line, material inside, material outside, or bend outside. We can specify the bend angle and direction here. Check this box to use the default radius or enter your own. Custom bend allowance, enter your values here. Let's click OK. Now let's edit my sketch. I'm going to create a couple more lines. Right-click, End Chain. And a second line somewhere here. Right-click, select to close the tool. Notice both lines are dangling lines. Even though SOLIDWORKS does permit dangling lines, it's still a good idea to create lines from edge to edge. For example, if you plan to add a part later on, a dangling line may cause some problems. Let's exit our sketch. And we'll edit Sketch Bend 1. We can customize our bend angle, but SOLIDWORKS only allows one bend angle for all bends. If I edit individual bends, we don't have the option to modify the bend angle and the bend radius, only the bend order. Let's check it out. The bend angle and radius fields are grayed out. The last field is where we input the bend order. We can still apply a custom bend allowance, however. Let's close the tool. And this concludes our lesson about using sketched bins.